You know, I could tell some spooky stories with this light. Ooh.
Want one of these, we gon' let the 2-3. Please don't let one of these, black TRP. You don't want one of these.
Now you can get this flashlight on Amazon.com or on ThruNite.com, and the ticket on it is 50 bucks.
Oh Lord!
Your TN12 Pro comes with a lanyard. You get a charging port replacement cover. You get this little carrying pouch. Matter of fact, this is a USB Type-C charger. You get your instruction booklet, and you get a clip along with your flashlight. That's what all comes with the ThruNite TN12 Pro. Alright, so this is what your TN12 Pro looks like. Really nice, compact, fit in a pocket, good looking, and I think it's just a decent, well, not even decent, beyond decent, better than decent flashlight. This is 1900 lumens, okay? And yeah, I said that right, you heard that right. 1900 lumens. This thing is super bright, dumb bright. Alright, so you got this dual directional clip. So what this clip does is it can clip down this way, so you can put it down that way, or if you want to turn it around, it clips in that way as well. So this is your typical ThruNite flashlight. So when it comes to the buttons, all the buttons are going to be the same as all the other ThruNite flashlights that you've seen me review or you've seen other reviewers review. Are going to have the same function. So this is your tail light switch, and your tail light switch is your on and off. All right, so it's going to be your on and off quick, you know, on and off switch. And then we have your charging port, which is right here, which is that USB Type-C charging port. And that's just my electronics background, because I like technology. That's my technology background. Mostly I probably don't even care what kind of charging port it is, but you know, that's just my thing. So it has a charging port, basically. That's all you need to know. And then you have your other button right here, and this button is like a quick access button. This is how you change your modes and all of that, and this is how you tell your battery indicator. You see when you do it, the flashlight's on, but I don't know if y'all can be able to see that. It's a blue light. So there's a blue light on right now, and if I hit that again and turn the light off, the blue light's off. Alright, so it also tells you your charging percentages. You know, when it's, you know, doing certain things, it tells you that. You can read the manual for all that. I'm not getting into all that with y'all. Alright, gun family, let's take a quick break real quick from the ThruNite TN12 Pro review to ask you guys and girls to help me beat the YouTube algorithm. How could you help me beat the YouTube algorithm? By liking this video, commenting on this video, subscribing to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel already, and sharing all my videos to all social media platforms. All of those things can help me beat the YouTube algorithm. I appreciate everything y'all do for me, gun family. But let's get back into this review. I've done it in other videos. This is what I'm saying. So with this, like I said, you can tap it one time, and that's going to take you back to your last mode. All right, turn it off. Double tap, it gets into a brighter mode, and then, you know what I mean. So it has multi functions. You got firefly mode, you got strobe mode, you got with the high mode. There's a bunch of different modes. It's like 5 different modes on here. You know, you can lock stuff. You can lock the flashlight to where it's strictly on one mode, or however you want to do it. There's different ways that you can use this flashlight. So I like ThruNite flashlights because they're really like, you know, they're unique, and the way they look is kind of like plain but basic look. It has an aggressive look to it. This thing it don't have the actual like little, I like to say, you know, bunt shield, so you know, knock somebody up in the head, but it has some ridges they might be able to use for that same purpose. Now it seems sturdy. I haven't dropped them or thrown them or kicked them around or anything like that, but I haven't had one of these break, and I got about 10 of these now. So I think that they're sturdy flashlights, solid flashlights. They throw in a bag, throw in your whip, which is your car. You know, keep it in the crib in case the lights go out, which is your house. And this is a multifunctional flashlight. Whatever you want to use it for, this can be used for it. This is super bright. Let me I'm not gonna, you know, flash it. I'm not taking it outside or nothing because I don't really feel like doing it. I'm kind of lazy. These lights are super dope. I like these lights. So if you want to grab you one of these ThruNite TN12 Pros, I'm not going to put the link in my video because YouTube doesn't like that. So like I told you in the beginning of the video, you can find it on those two websites and you can grab one from there, and that's basically it. But it's Urban Gun Reviews. If this video helped you in any way or you just enjoy my content, you can let me know by clicking the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on my logo in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all of that is available in the description. And as always, gun family, stay blessed, stay strapped.
He gon' let the 2-3, please don't let one of these black TRP picture. You don't want one of these black TRP picture. You don't want one of these picture. He gon' let the 2-3, please don't let one of these black TRP picture. You don't want one of these. He gon' let the 2-3, please don't let one of these black TRP picture. You don't want one of these.